Hello, I'm Anita. I'm your guide to the world of essential oils and the gym. Today, let's dive into the serene and soothing, calming and versatile universe of one of the most beloved essential oils, lavender. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender oil is a staple in many homes and a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Let's discover why it's a must-have for your gym bag. Hey, let's talk about the origins. doTERRA sources its lavender essential oil from the beautiful fields of Bulgaria, a region renowned for its ideal climate and soil conditions for lavender. This ensures the highest quality, purity, and potency. The lavender is harvested at the perfect time to capture the full spectrum of its therapeutic benefits. And now, what do we know about the distillation process? Through careful steam distillation, doTERRA captures the essence of lavender, preserving its therapeutic qualities for your benefit. Once harvested, the lavender undergoes a careful steam distillation process. This method preserves the delicate balance of its constituents, ensuring that every drop of oil is as pure and potent as nature intended. Of course, there are 3 ways to use essential oils, and we're going to talk about the aromatic use of lavender essential oils. Aromatically, lavender oil is a game changer and a wonder. It's great for creating a calming atmosphere in your home or office, and its scent is known to reduce stress and improve sleep, which of course is essential for recovery and performance for all athletes. Just a few drops in a diffuser can transform your space into a tranquil haven. It's perfect for winding down after a long day or creating peaceful atmosphere in your home, no matter what's going on. But use it before a workout or competition. Inhaling that lavender oil can help calm those pre-event nerves, ensuring a focused and steady mindset. Now, we do all know how good sleep is vital for recovery, and lavender's oil calming properties can improve sleep quality, ensuring your body and mind are well rested and rejuvenated for another day of training. But maybe you're a yogi looking for enhanced mental clarity during your practice. Well, lavender has you covered there as well. The second way to use essential oils are topically. And topically, lavender oil is a gym goer's ally, and it's just as versatile topically as it is aromatically. It soothes skin irritations and can be used in a post-workout massage to relax muscles. Post-workout, mix lavender oil with Epsom salts in a bath to help reduce muscle soreness. Its anti-inflammatory properties are excellent for recovery, ensuring you're ready for your next training session. It can be applied to the skin to soothe those occasional irritations or added to bath water, again, for that relaxing experience. When you're using it topically, it is of course recommended to dilute it with a carrier oil, especially for those with sensitive skin. Okay, the third way that you can use essential oils. Let's talk about internally using them. A drop of lavender oil and water can help calm nerves and promote restful sleep, which of course, as we've said, is crucial for athletes' recovery. doTERRA's lavender oil can be taken internally to help reduce anxious feelings and promote that peaceful sleep. However, it's crucial to follow those recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have any medical conditions or are pregnant. So really, why choose doTERRA's lavender oil? Firstly, its purity and potency are unmatched. doTERRA's commitment to ethical sourcing and rigorous testing ensures that you're getting the best nature has to offer. Secondly, its versatility makes it a must-have in your wellness toolkit in general and your gym bag specifically. In conclusion, whether you're using it aromatically, topically, or internally, lavender oil is a gentle yet powerful ally in your journey towards health and wellness. Incorporating lavender oil into your fitness routine can significantly enhance your athletic performance and recovery. So embrace the natural power of doTERRA's lavender oil in your journey towards health and wellness. And if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe, and share this content with your friends who need to know more about how they can take care of their bodies naturally so that they can get back out and compete in CrossFit or Spartan or anything else that they do. Until next time, see ya.